This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Drawing Canvas in Word. Open Word and go to Insert Drawing Canvas to start. I'll walk you through adding shapes, freehand drawing, and grouping objects so they behave like one item. You'll learn how to adjust line styles, fills, and arrange layers for polished results. I'll also show easy shortcuts and best practices to keep your layout clean and export ready for sharing or printing. Open the Drawing Tools tab whenever the canvas is selected and explore pen, highlighter, and shape options. Use size and color controls to match your document theme and maintain consistency. Remember to use grid lines or rulers for precise positioning, and snap to grid if you need exact alignment. Group objects to move them together, and use send backward or bring forward to manage layers. Practice with simple shapes before combining complex illustrations. Quick recommendation: if your car smells like old markers after long editing sessions, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, fresh ride. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like right now to support more tutorials and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your commute or studio. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Resize shapes by dragging handles or entering exact dimensions in the size box for accurate layouts. Add text boxes inside the canvas for labeled diagrams, and use font and paragraph tools for clarity. When ready, right-click and save as picture or copy to the clipboard to reuse in emails or slides. Export the whole document as PDF to preserve layout and ink, and always save a backup copy before major edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.